Bell service. Bell service. Good noon, ma'am. I believe today is your checkout date. I'm here to assist you with your luggage, ma'am. May I come in? Yes. Ready to go, ma'am? Yes. This way, ma'am. After you. How was your stay with us, Mrs. Galvero? Did you enjoy your stay with us, ma'am? Yes, I had so much fun staying here. The place and ambient is so relaxing. I'll definitely come back here with my husband. Good to hear, ma'am. How about the food, ma'am? It was awesome. It is always a pleasure, Mrs. Galvero. We are glad to hear that you enjoyed your stay with us. We are now here on the ground floor, ma'am. This way to the front desk, please. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Sheila. How may I assist you? I would like to check out. Alright, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please? Yes, I am Hani Galvero. My room number is 302. Alright, Mrs. Galvero. May I have your key card, please? Here. For a moment, ma'am, I will just check out your account. Alright. Good afternoon. This is Sheila, front desk cashier. Please check room 304. Thank you. Thank you for waiting, Mrs. Galvero. You already paid for your accommodation, but you had your room service charge yesterday. Kindly check your bill, please. Yes, I will pay for it. How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am? Is it cash or card? I would like card. Alright, ma'am. May I have your card and valid ID, please? Ma'am, here's your card together with your valid ID and your receipt. Okay, thank you. Wait, ma'am, do you have a car or do you need a taxi? I have a Lamborghini car. Alright, ma'am, since you already have a car, our bell attendant will assist you with your luggage. Alright, thank you. It's always my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us and we hope to see you again soon. Afternoon, ma'am. I am Sheila, your bell attendant. Allow me to assist you with your luggage, ma'am. Yes, thank you. This way, ma'am. After you, ma'am. Thank you for choosing 80SM Hotel, Mrs. Galvero. We are looking forward to your next visit. Have a safe trip.